I'm Dr. Mike Humphrey. I'm the physician at the Plano location for StrideCare. Here in our office with StrideCare, it's very important that we try to provide the patients with one of their best medical experiences they've ever had. We really strive to make the procedures as painless as possible and make the patients as comfortable as possible. A patient-centric approach is very important to me. It's important that we focus on the patient rather than just simply the disease. Not everybody needs to be treated the same. Not everybody needs to have the same level of treatment, and that needs to be very individualized. The disease comes from the veins, but treating the person rather than the vein can make all the difference in the world.